Empty rooms and shallow halls, they're tearing me apart. How I wish you were still here and not just a memory, refusing to leave. I thought it was over when the bell rang twice, when your body turned cold, when my heart sank into a dark place. Yet every day I see your face in every corner of this house, like you're still in the kitchen, making dinner when I've had a bad day. Life used to be kind, I never knew its cruel side. The battle didn't end that day. It only learned a different way. Empty rooms and shallow halls, it's tearing me apart. How could a life so real disappear like summer rain? Yesterday you were here, watching over me. Even when I drove you mad, you never walked away. You loved me a little more instead. Now you've gone like summer rain. Tell me who'll shelter me from the storms that still remain. This morning through the window pane, I thought I saw you standing there. I rushed outside to hold you close, but found nothing but my shadow there. Can't you come back for just a while? A quick hug and an afternoon spat. We'd make up over dinner and wine, then fall asleep holding each other tight. You rush off into morning traffic, complain about another day. I'd smile and tell you go on now, before you end up being late. You look at me with fire in your eyes, you knew I was right but fought me anyway, over little things, just to get your way. Your favorite jacket's by the door, I can't bring myself to move it, like you're coming back someday. But I know you never will. I don't know how to live without you. I don't wanna let go. Empty rooms, shallow halls, I still touch the summer rain. It's the closest I'm ever gonna get.